In this video guide, we'll give you detailed instructions on how to effectively get rid of the browser hijacker that is called Togo Quick Search. Togo Quick Search. Several security companies and malware research websites have made the analysis of this browser extension called Togo Quick Search, and they all came to the correct conclusion that it functions as a typical browser hijacker. These so-called hijackers manipulate your browsers. For example, they may change your start page or search scopes so that the affected browser visits their site or one of their choice. This particular one changes your default search provider. So just for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to add it to the Google Chrome browser, and I'll show you what exactly happens after it is added. So whenever I start submitting some search queries, I notice that the results are delivered by Bing.com, sometimes by Yahoo.com, or by some other unfamiliar search engine that was not selected by me initially. And no matter what search queries I submit, I still get these redirections and the results to be delivered by Bing.com. So that's the problem because of Togo Quick Search browser hijacker enabled. Often it gets integrated with some free applications, so people tend to download and install it pretty unintentionally. If you are not happy with such amendments into the way your browser operates, you need to get rid of this Togo Quick Search hijacker. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Now it's time to look for this Togo Quick Search extension. Here it is. You may simply deactivate it, that will be sufficient enough, or you may remove the extension entirely. So this should fix the problem, but I also recommend you to additionally research your system with the help of the program named Combo Cleaner. You may get it on this resource, combocleaner.com. Download the application and then start carefully researching your device with its help. Combo Cleaner will detect other threats that could be possibly hidden on your system. After the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the complex research and analysis of your computer.
At the end of scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will get the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So currently you may see that so far 20 threads were found. In your particular case, the number of threads may be more than 20 or below 20. But definitely the program will give you the full summary of all threads, including the locations of these threads on your Mac computer. And you have a chance to remove each detected thread manually and for free, one at a time. You may click on Show in Finder next to this particular thread. This will show you the location of thread in your Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. And you may do the same thing with all other threads, or consider upgrading to the premium version to remove these threads altogether and automatically. And of course, premium version will protect your Mac computer from all subsequent threat and malware attacks.